And coming up, she is a 2014 New England Regional Intermediate Ladies competitor. Please welcome Ginevra Davis.
Should old acquaintance be forgot and never brought to mind? Should old acquaintance be forgot and all lang syne? And surely will buy a cup, and surely all my mind, and we'll take a cup of kindness yet for old lang have paddled in the stream from morning sun to night, but the seas between us broad have roared from all lang syne. From all lang syne, my dear, from all lang syne, we'll take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne. Take a cup of kindness yet for all lang syne.
What a nice way to ring in 2014. That was Ginevra Davis.